people's choice, when to or not to raise their voices. It's you that decides which way you will turn. Well, feeling that our love's not your concern. It's you that decides. No one around you will carry the blame for you. No one around you will love you today and throw it all away tomorrow when you rise. Another day for you to realize me. Send me down again. The days stand up on end. You got me wondering how I lost your friendship, but I see it in your eyes. Though I'm beside you, I can't carry the blame for you. I may decide to get out with the blessing, we will carry on guessing. I will you leap while you make enough for you to reap it. Only you'll arrive at your own made end, with no one but yourself to be offended. It's you that decides. Hey folks, guitar lesson for Run of the Mill by the great George Harrison from his All Things Must Pass album. This is a guitar lesson for the demo version, which George released, or the estate released, on the 50th anniversary. So I'm playing this guitar. I'm playing the lesson in standard tuning. The demo, I believe George has a capo on the 6th fret. So on 6, on the recording on All Things Must Pass, I think he slid the capo up to the 7th fret. So you can capo it wherever you like, but I'm pretty sure George is playing with a G shape with a capo. You can kind of hear his fingering as he's playing this. Now, as always, I'm not trying to duplicate everything George Harrison is doing. I can't do that. But I've tried to simplify it a little bit, and I always say, for all my lessons, play it to your ability. Play it to where you can enjoy playing this and have fun and get into the song, as opposed to complicating it so much you're stressed and you can't even have fun with it. You got to have fun with this stuff, I think, folks. So anyway, here's my take on George's demo, which is very similar to the release version. So again, just remember, capo on the 6th fret. There's 2 parts to the song, and that's it. I'm going to start with a G to an E minor. This is the intro and the verse. So G to an E minor. And now you're going to go back to a G. And then what I'm doing on the G, you can hear I'm playing 3rd string, 2nd fret, 4, 2, open 3rd string, and then open B string, 2nd string, to a C, back to E minor, to a D, and I go back to a D 7th, back to G. So we'll start this one more time. This is the verse, the intro and the verse. G, E minor, now this little G riff. C, E minor, to a D, D 7th. And throughout the song, I'm adding little riffs, whatever you want to do. That's optional. George does some of it. I'm probably doing it differently than him, but again, just do it the way you like. So that's the verse. That's part 1. Part 2 is the no one around you can carry the blame for you. That part. It's an A minor, pretty straightforward stuff. A minor to a B7. Now I'm playing the B7, kind of a simplified B7 because I can't fit my fingers with the capo, my fat fingers. So a B7 to an E minor to an E7, and I'm going to add my pinky to the E7, to an A minor, B7 to a C, back to the B or B7. I go back to the B7 because you're already playing a B7. So one more time on the middle part, and that's it. A minor, B7 to an E minor, E7, add your pinky, A minor, B7 to a C, B7, and then you're back to the G, E minor, then the G run. E minor, D, D7. That's it, folks. That is Run of the Mill by George Harrison. Of course, I think we all know the song was inspired by George's failing relationship, I guess, at the time with Paul McCartney during, the breakup of the Beatles. And then I believe also Olivia Harrison might have commented that this was her favorite song of George, of her husband. So it's really, really a great song. I love it very much. Again, just a reminder, if you want to play along to George's demo, I believe he has a capo on the 6th fret. If you want to play along to the All Things Must Pass release version, just put the capo on the 7th fret. All of it, I think, is with the shape of a G chord, wherever you want to put the capo. So that's it, folks. That is All Things Must Pass. That is Run of the Mill from George Harrison's All Things Must Pass album. I was also trying out a new microphone tonight. So I was playing with headphones because the mic, they hook up. So I'm not sure how this sounds. If it works, I may do this again. If not, you'll probably never be seeing this. I'm just talking to myself. So with that, folks, have a great time. I'll see you later.